And on this one, since it's a white background, I'm just going to leave it like that rather than actually trim out. Okay, so if this was the towel, I'll have some fringe down here, and I will put this up a little higher. What we should do is take a little bit of pink so we can tie it in with the bag since it's got the same design on it. Just cut a little strip here, pop this on. Okay, I want to trim this up so this part is even, and then let me lift this up and do a little bit of the fringe here. So do some cuts a little deeper, some not as deep. Ta-da! And I want to kind of lay this over that ball. Well, I don't want to cover that pin up. Let me just take some of this off and do more like this. I like it short like that. And then kind of just tuck this. And then I'm going to take another piece of this fondant and actually pop it under here. That so you can actually see it if it's popped up a little. Okay, voila, there it is, your little bowling cake. So you can change it up, change the colors for male. This is more, female or even younger adult. You can add things. You could even add the shoes if you wanted to. So have fun with it, and hope you get a strike.